Good morning. Glad to see the weather station also there being upcycled, being reused. What have I got for you today? Some better weather in the east, if you like, dry and bright weather, but we have some rain. Again, great news for some in the west.
And what a beautiful sunrise. Is that this morning?
It is, isn't it beautiful? This is Hever in Kent. Sarah, Charlie, good morning to you. Hello there. A little bit of mistiness. That's why I've picked this particular weather watcher out. So
It's 4 o'clock kickoff, isn't it?
Yes.
Reminder. Yeah.
Well, no,
Okay.
I think the weather's going to be okay. So it's not
Yeah,
really
Helen,
affecting.
would you help us out with that one? How's it going to be in Twickenham this afternoon?
I can say, who likes the rain, Mike? Does that make a difference to either teams? Because it looks like it's going to be dry actually. So
Yeah.
if they like the dry sunshine.
Yeah, well, it means
fine.
less slipping and sliding and less mud, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. My girls have been glued to it anyway. It's been really exciting. So it should be a lovely afternoon because the rain is mostly in the west and it's brighter in the east. But a mixed fortune really for other sporting events today, just because we've got that weather front coming in. It's all linked down to this low pressure storm, Gabrielle, which is hitting parts of Spain and Portugal. The rain's off, so lots of high winds and large waves. But for here at home, for that Rugby World Cup, it does look fine and dry. In fact, it looks like we'll see more sunshine than we had yesterday across the eastern side of the UK. Sun's out in London already. You saw Twickenham earlier. Here we are in Barking. We do have more cloud, though, further west with the approach of that weather front. This is Stirling just recently. Weather-wise, not sure what's going on in northern parts of Russia at the moment, but I can tell you what's going on in Spain and Portugal. This area of low pressure is the remains of Storm Gabriel. It's bringing some really large, dangerously large waves to the coast here and strong winds. To the north of that is our weather front. So we have got some much needed rain in the forecast today, but to the east of that, the north of that, we've got some sunshine. This is Shetland. Just a half an hour or so ago. So some blue skies here. I think we will have that cloud on that weather front, though, coming in for tomorrow. What about the rest of the UK? Well, we've got cloudier skies already further west with that approaching weather front in Stirling, and it really looks quite heavy, this rain. In fact, this storm, X-storm anyway, Gabrielle, which is going to bring some very dangerously large waves to Spain and Portugal's coast. But for us, we're going to get the rain, and it's quite heavy already in the west, but not in Norfolk. Of course, we had all that cloud in the east yesterday, but it's a much brighter, drier start. Cloud will tend to increase as the day goes on. That was earlier showing some rain.
Good afternoon to you. Today's rather cloudy, some rain in the forecast as well, but tomorrow looks better if you have outdoor plans. It should be dry with a lot more sunshine around.
Hello, it's been a fine start to the weekend. Tomorrow not looking so straightforward.
Hello again. Today's heavy rain and strong winds for western parts of the UK begin to move eastwards over the next few hours, revealing fresher, drier conditions for many of us for tomorrow, with some nice autumn sunshine on the cards to round off this weekend.